we open the fridge, and then the first thing when I see duck leg is a South French dish called cassoulet, like a duck confit inside the beans. Immediately, me and Vonny, we are thinking, okay, go for duck leg.
Just pick 2 or 3.
Let's use the chestnut, okay?
Vonny and Blanche, what are you cooking for us?
I'm thinking I can do the duck with a chestnut cream sauce and carrot puree.
Are you sure that's duck?
It's not duck?
It's Guinea fowl.
Huh? What's Guinea Fowl? So this is not duck.
No, it's not duck. It's Guinea fowl. Yeah.
Guinea Fowl. I really don't know what's that. What?
Guinea fowl's a smaller bird, really.
It's meant to smell it.
I can't smell anything. Oh,
Good luck.
Thank you. What's that? What's Guinea Fowl? Anyway, let's just try this marinated.
Yeah.
In this moment, I think it's all about flavor. If the flavor getting right, meat cooked right, then we can win the challenge.
30 minutes into the challenge, our carrots is still boiling, and I'm making this chestnut sauce. I put some cream in it, I put some milk in it just to lighten up the flavor of the chestnut.
May I taste?
Too chestnutty. Add butter, maybe.
There's something missing. I can't really tell what is missing. It should add more like a savory taste or something to enhance the flavor. Maybe we can put a bit blue cheese inside to give a bit of saltiness.
Okay.
What do you think?
Yeah, just give it a try.
I think it'll be much better, right?
Yeah, much better, much better.
It's quite tasty actually.
Yeah, let's put the blue cheese.
Let's put the blue cheese, yes. Blue cheese chestnut sauce.
The puree of the carrot, it's just not smooth. It's not coming together. It's just separating.
Vonny, this stuff is not cooked enough. See? It's still hard. It can't be a puree.
It's totally ruined, and we have to come up with something else.
And there's nothing on top of this. Think about what we can do.
5 minutes left. We see our plate is just like a brioche and a guinea fowl legs, and it just looks so pale. I just, at that point, I mean, we can do nothing. There's nothing that we can do to this pale plate that we're gonna serve.
The next dish we'd like to taste belongs to Vonny and Blanche.
See, it's the first time we cook the guinea fowl. The texture of meat might not get right. This is my biggest worry, actually.
Tell us what you cooked today.
It's a pan-fried guinea fowl with blue cheese and chestnut cream sauce and brioche.
What happened to the carrot puree?
The carrot puree wasn't cooked properly, so we decided not to put it on the plate.
1 + 1. In hours, there was 2 hours together to bring us this plate. Let's go into the tasting, maybe. French cooking is supposed to be your specialty,
Yes.
but 1 hour for that, it's not working properly.
This plate really crying for color, means vegetable, and also presentation. I'm sorry, girls. I think you might be in trouble today. Thank you very much.
Thank you.